Forward collision avoidance assist is designed to help detect and monitor the vehicle ahead as well as cyclists or pedestrians in the roadway. The feature does this by utilizing radar sensors in the front bumper as well as a windshield camera located near the rear-view mirror. The system warns the driver that a potential collision is imminent with a collision warning message and an audible warning. If necessary, the system will apply the brakes and display the emergency braking message to reduce the impact severity or, if possible, prevent the collision. Please be aware that this may occur with strong braking power. Forward collision avoidance assist can also be of benefit at junctions, such as making a left-hand turn. In this example, the oncoming vehicle doesn't notice the stop line. The combination of the left-hand turn signal and the sensors detecting a possible impact allows the system to apply emergency braking to attempt to avoid a collision. This function is called junction turning. There is an additional layer of protection called junction crossing that attempts to avoid collisions with oncoming vehicles on the left or right side when crossing an intersection.